In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have PowerPoint installed, activated, tuned to your preferences, and tested so you know everything works smoothly. Let's start with installation. Head to office.com and download Microsoft 365, or use your installation media if you already have it. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. This usually means granting permission for changes, choosing where to install, and waiting while the components are set up. Keep your internet connection stable during this process so the installer can fetch everything it needs. When it's done, PowerPoint will be available from your apps list. Next, activate PowerPoint. Open the app, then go to File, select Account, and click Activate Product. If your subscription is linked to a Microsoft account, sign in with that account. If you have a standalone product key, enter it when prompted. Make sure you're using the account or key that matches your license so features unlock correctly. A quick restart of PowerPoint after activation can help the status update right away. Now, configure your basic settings. Go to File, then Options. In the General section, choose your theme and default user interface options to make PowerPoint feel comfortable. In Save, set how often Auto Recover runs and pick your default save location and file format. If you plan to use cloud storage, enabling autosave works best when your files are stored in OneDrive. In Language, confirm your editing and display languages. In Proofing, customize spelling and grammar checks so errors are caught as you work. And in Advanced, fine-tune behavior like editing, display, and performance options. Take a moment here. These choices can save time later. If you'd like, customize the ribbon to keep your favorite tools handy. Go to File, Options, then Customize Ribbon. You can add tabs such as Draw, create your own custom groups, and reorder commands so the features you use most are just one click away. This is optional, but it can speed up your workflow significantly. Finally, test your setup. Create a blank presentation, add a title slide, and insert some text. Try adding an image and a simple shape to confirm the insert tools are working. Save the file, close PowerPoint, and reopen it to make sure your activation and settings persist. If you save to OneDrive, confirm that autosave is on and your changes are syncing. That's it. PowerPoint is installed, activated, customized, and ready to go. You're all set to start building polished presentations with confidence.